Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So today we'll continue the same chapter, that is industries. Now children, we have already discussed about industries and manufacturing industries and the different classification of industries on the basis of raw materials. Now as you see, the size of any industries depends upon the amount of capital invested. Capital means money, and also the number of manual labor and the amount of production. Okay, now if we see, according to the size, industries are classified as cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. So these are the three different types of industries on the basis of size. Now first let's discuss cottage industries. Now cottage industries are based in rural areas, in the village areas you can call. So where basically investment is very minimal or low you can call it. Okay. And the people, those who work in these cottage industries, they use locally available raw materials and basic tools for making goods. Basic tools, not highly mechanized and all this, absolutely basic tools. Now the goods which are made at home, these are made with the help of the family members. Alright, family members. Now the products which are made, these products are sold in the local markets. These products are sold in the local markets. Alright, now if we see for examples like pottery, baskets, jewelry and handloom clothes, all this comes under this category, that is cottage industry. Now except all these, that different kinds of saris are there, brands as I said, that Kanjivaram, Banarasi, Mysore silk, Baluchuri, Murshidabad silk. So all these also, these are made in different rural areas and these are marketed afterwards in different places. Except all these you can call the ivory idols, spoons, pipes, elephant, these are also done. Thermocol. Now this thermocol also comes under this cottage industry, thermocols. With the help of this thermocol, our Ma Durga's ornaments are made. In the marriage ceremony, the bride, they wear different kinds of in their head. So all those things are also made with the help of these thermocols. Now another one is the Dokra jewelries and artifacts. Alright. Sital party mattress, kind of mattress, different clay dolls and wooden dolls, all these things comes under this category, that is cottage industries. Alright, now next if you see, next we have, that is the small scale industries. Alright, now the small scale industries, they use less amount of capital and technology. They use less amount of capital and technology. Better than the cottage, but the amount of capital and technology is less. Now these products, the products are sold in the local as well as outside markets. Alright, as well as outside markets. Now the small scale industries, they provide employment to a large number of people. They provide employment to a large number of people and thus play an important role in the developing countries. Alright, and if we see different products of the small scale industries, it includes different textiles, ceramics, the one we call it China Mati and all that one, Chini Mitti we can call it. Alright, now all these and utensils also. Agarbatti also comes under the small scale industries. Chalk, sugar candy, different kinds of local detergents, honey processing, liquid soap, wood making, all these things comes under this small scale industries. Alright, now next one we have, that is the large scale industries. Now the large scale industries, they use large amount of capital and heavy power driven machinery. It's quite common, isn't it? So they have large amount of capital as well as they have heavy power driven machineries. Now they employ a large number of laborers in their industries. Alright. Now the raw materials which are used in large scale industries, these are like often imported from other countries. Okay. Now these industries, they produce large volumes of goods and services which are like distributed all over the country, and also in different other countries these are also exported. All right. Now the production is highly specialized one in these large scale industries. All right. And if you see some for examples, suppose you see the automobile industry, iron and steel, and agricultural equipments, all this comes under the large scale industries. Except all this, you can call like the different textile industries, telecom, petroleum, heavy machineries and shipbuilding industries. All these comes under the large scale industries. Okay, so that's it. So that's all we have in this session. So in the next session we will discuss the different classification of industries on the basis of ownership. Till the next time, bye bye.